put carbon fibre on the BMW M2. Let's go!
Like you said, we got a G87 M2 here today, and we're going to install our custom carbon fibre body kit on it and show them what we got.
We've got the carbon fibre side skirt extensions, we've got the rear diffuser with the corner pieces attached on, then we've got a front lip, and then we've got the spoiler as well.
So the first thing we're going to put on the car today is the front lip. If you come around, have a look at the car with me. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty good fresh out of the factory, but this customer obviously wants to give it more of an aggressive look. That's why he's gonna add on our splitter. The first things first, we're gonna jack the car up so we can easily work on it. Now that the car's been jacked up, we're gonna remove the original 10mm bolts, install the lip, and reinstall the original 10mm bolts. This means no additional holes are gonna be made into this bumper because of its OEM fitment. That's all the screws out. Let's get the lip on now. And just like that, as you can see, the front lip's been fitted. And what do you reckon?
I think the easiest and probably one of the best lips we've ever fitted. Now that the front lip's completed, we're going to move on to the side skirts. Come with me. So here we have the carbon fibre side skirt extensions ready to be fitted onto the car. Personally, probably my most favourite part to fit onto the car, as it usually takes 2 minutes per side. So this is a two-man job, as I need another person to ensure the side skirt is flush on the edge. Jiggy, my man, you want to come give us a hand? Just like that.
Okay, so these guys are finished on the front, finished on the sides. The only thing left is the rear end of the car. You've got the spoiler to go on and the diffuser. This is going to be the biggest part of the transformation on it, which is going to give it a lot more aggressive look. You've got this diffuser here, which, if you look closely, it actually wraps around the bottom of it. The exhaust tips will actually sit inside the diffuser. This is a new part. The rest of it we've had in stock for a while now, but the diffuser is something, this is the first time we're going to fit. We're going to test fit it as well. Make sure it fits on 100%. First part of the rear end is going to be the spoiler. Now the spoiler comes with 3M tape on it already, so it's literally put it on against the car and press it on. Show you like this. Just make sure you've got the right gap on both sides on it and press it on. And voila, it's done. You know what? How much of a difference has that made already? Okay, you can see the spoiler's on. The top of the back end is already looking aggressive. The last part that we need to put on this car is the rear diffuser, which is going to give it that extra wow factor to make this car look completely aggressive from the back. So I'm really excited about this going on. As you can see, that's the old diffuser off there. This is the new one. You should be able to get an idea of how much of a difference this is actually going to make. Rear diffuser is completely fitted. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Check it out. Car's been completely finished, it's been completely transformed with the full Unit 17 carbon fibre body kit. So if you're interested in any of the parts that we've installed on this car today, you can drop us a message on Instagram at unit17_UK. If you've got a G87 or if you've got any other kind of car that you want a carbon fibre modification to, drop us a message, let us know what you need and we'll get back to you.